Ever dreamt of turning your love for travel into a business? Well, you're in luck. We're diving into how to start your very own travel agency. First things first, let's talk passion and skills. Being passionate about travel is great, but you'll also need business acumen. Think about what sets you apart in this competitive industry. Ready? Let's get down to brass tacks. Your first step is market research. Figure out what kind of travel agency you want to be. Luxury trips? Backpacking adventures? The choice is yours. Once you've zeroed in on your niche, the next step is crafting a business plan. This is your roadmap, outlining your goals, target audience, and financial projections. Now let's talk about the legal stuff. You'll need to register your business, get the proper permits, and don't forget about insurance. Better safe than sorry, right? Alright, you're legit. Now it's time to find a location. Whether it's a physical storefront or an online space, make sure it aligns with your target market. With your base set up, let's focus on suppliers. Establish relationships with airlines, hotels, and tour operators. These partnerships are crucial for offering deals to your clients. Next up, hiring staff. You can't do it all, so consider the roles you'll need to fill. Think customer service, sales, and maybe even a travel expert work too. Let's not forget about your online presence. A solid website and active social media are key. Keep your audience engaged with travel tips, deals, and dreamy destinations. The money talk. You'll need a solid pricing strategy. Remember, you need to make a profit, but you also want to offer competitive rates. Marketing time. Consider using SEO, social media ads, and even traditional methods like flyers. Your goal is to be the go-to travel agency for your target market. Okay, you're almost there. The final step is to continuously evaluate and adapt. Keep an eye on trends, customer feedback, and your own sales data to grow your business. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your own travel agency business. So what are you waiting for? The world is your oyster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Safe travels and happy entrepreneuring.